A splintered plank was all that remained of Ember's boat. They sat for a moment and despaired. Perhaps the Forest King was right.
No.
There was no hope here.
There is hope, because I have a piece of a boat. Even if it's not the full boat, it's a piece of the boat. Okay. What's this?
A discarded builder robot. The poor thing was rusted in place.
Oh, okay, okay.
The builder's thoughts were stuck in a loop. Turning slowly to rust, only the echoes for company.
Not today.
Disconnected gears in their head turning round and round. Each unshared moment went the same.
I got you, bud. Got you, builder robot.
Lost and uncared for was a dim glow.
I'll care for you, dim glow.
The years of loneliness had warped the builder's feelings. Perhaps they should be alone. Time spent with others felt like a false memory. The soundless days measured piece by piece. Who's there? I can't see.
Water down the wrong pipe.
It's dark, I'm ever so afraid. Keep talking to me, please.
Okay, bud. What's up? How you doing? What happened?
My eye. The feathered ones did this to me.
It's really rude of them.
It's been so long since I've seen anyone. Since I've talked to anyone.
I think we can maybe rectify that. Where is your eye? Well, like he can see.
I can feel the warmth of the sun on it.
Oh, okay.
An outside place. It's okay if you don't want to help.
No, I got you. I will help.
But it would be so nice to see what you look like.
I'm pretty cute.
It was wonderful to meet you.
You too. I'll
Don't
see
forget
you soon.
me, please.
I won't.
The others never came back.
Oh. They lost hope, probably. I'm working on saving them too. Okay. There. Oh, there's part of a boat. It might be helpful later. Okay, we're pro on this now. A little bit further. No, pro. That one. Oh, is it far enough? Oh yeah. I just want to lift it up. I can lift it down. Push it down. Alright. That's a good thing to have for later. Okay. Okay. Idiot, you can move this one too. There we go. There's his eyeball. Got it. Cool. Okay. I don't think there's anything else I can do here at the moment. Okay, let's go. Hey, bud. Hey. Hey, look what I got. Hey. Now look at how adorable I am as we go down this.
builder took a moment as they tried to focus their eye on the small blue figure in front of them. So that's what you look like.
It's adorable.
I don't know what I expected, but you have a kind face.
Right?
Sorry, I don't mean to make you uncomfortable.
Really?
It's just been so long since I've seen anyone.
Do you think I'm cute? I'm super cute.
I've never been good at talking to others. You seem different somehow.
I might be dead.
Wait, how did you get here?
Really long story. Snake attacked me?
That doesn't sound right. The snake doesn't want to hurt anyone. Don't listen to what the birds say. The snake is just drawn to the light.
Okay.
It was probably just curious of you.
accident.
The builder seemed to have an idea. You know, maybe I can help you.
I appreciate that. He's gonna make me a boat? I think he's gonna make me a boat.
This is so exciting. This is what I was made for. It's been so long since I made something for someone. Ember watched in amazement.
So did I stand off the barrel to watch on the table?
Could I get your input for a moment?
Sure. Oh. This is really big. I like ducks. Is that a puppy? Let's go to
The
the duck.
scraps of broken wood and metal were being transformed. Could I get your input for a moment?
Okay. Ooh. I like green.
Whatever
I
the
like
builder
spring.
was making was nearly ready. I really hope you like it. Sorry, it's a bit rough around the edges. It's, definitely seaworthy. You hate it, don't you?
It's a duck.
Ember stood in stunned silence. That is such relief. Really warms my pistons.
So cute.
I'm so happy.
Come with me.
Oh no. I'm not. But that's very kind of you. Truly, I would if I could. But if you see any others, perhaps ask them to visit the builder.
Okay.
Ember would come back if they could. Perhaps the builder just needed more time.
Builder will come. Oh my god, look at my boat. This boat is amazing. Look at this boat.
The boat was a little unconventional, but Ember already loved it.
Hey, this way. We want to go this way. Oh my god, it's so adorable.